Did you know you can use your Android phone as a Wi-Fi repeater? Let me show you how to share your mobile data or Wi-Fi from your mobile phone to other device. By default, you can share mobile data from mobile hotspot, but if you try to share Wi-Fi, then mobile automatically turn off the Wi-Fi when you turn on hotspot. But don't worry, you can fix it without any other apps. First of all, go to Settings. Click on Connections. Click on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Now tap on Mobile Hotspot. Click on Configure. You will see an Advanced option, click on it. Scroll down, where you can see Wi-Fi sharing option, just enable it and save. That's it, now you can easily share mobile data as well as Wi-Fi using your mobile device. I hope you liked the video, thanks for watching, have a nice day.